So we just got these magnetic safety locks to put on our cabinets in our bathroom and kitchen. We have grandkids now that are old enough to start getting into things and getting into cabinets they don't need to be in. Don't mind them getting in cabinets, but not the ones they don't need to be in. So we got these. There's 12 of these in this box, and then it has the 3 safety locks. And I'll tell you why I like these and what I like about these little magnetic safety locks that are, I think, pretty cool. Different than the ones that we had when my kids were little. So it's super easy. As you can tell, it comes with these 2 boxes with everything in it. But this is basically what you're getting in the box, if I can show you, is this is like the what you use to line it up with. And then this is the actual lock part. And then this is the part that will go in your cabinet. So just to explain it better, I'll show you how it works. So you're going to take the part that you're going to align, to line this up with, and you're actually just going to stick this through the back side like that. And you can see it just lines up like that. So you're not going to stick it yet. You're going to wait till you get everything together. And then you're going to take the other part, this top part, and then it just literally, if you can see, it just slides. Oops, I got it kind of crooked there. You want to make sure the adhesive is also on the top, so you want to make sure you're putting it in the right way. But you'll hear it just kind of like slides in like that. And then you can see here, I've got my finger on the lock, but it will go up and down. And then here's the cool part. This is the actual magnetic part. So when you hold it, you can see it kind of open and shuts it. And this is like when your cabinet is shut, you can just use this to open it. And I'm going to go over to my cabinet and show you what that looks like. So you can see I have the flat part hooked on the cabinet and then the hook part over on the door. So when you shut the door, it will actually grab it like that and it will not open. And then you're just going to take the magnet and then run it over the spot where it's at and it will actually open. So I keep mine on the refrigerator so I know where it's at. But the cool thing is you can actually hook that so it doesn't lock when they're not around. But we've been very satisfied with it. I really like these things, so I just thought if you're looking, I'd highly recommend.